I have a limit circuit open or external load on W light going off. I have no burners running and the heater just continues to run.
Hello, or was the filter plugged when this started?
I replaced it with a new one. It was dirty when I changed it.
Thank you. On the front wall behind the gas valve. Do you see a flat plate with 2 wires attached?
Yes.
Turn power off. Tap that switch 3 to 4 times. Turn power back on and tell me if code remains. We will go from there.
I did that and the code is still there.
Thank you. Now turn power off. Remove those 2 wires. Touch them together metal to metal, wire to wire. We are bypassing that limit before going forward. Hold together and turn power on. Tell me code.
Same code.
Sorry for delay. Now we want to follow T wires from that limit. And see if they lead to O limits. Just follow the wires.
One wire goes down through the base into the fan compartment and to the back of the fan unit. I could not see behind the fan. The others goes to the top of the burners where it attaches to a circular switch with a brown no on top that is loose. Then it goes to another one in front of the exhaust that runs by the burners for the little fan unit. Then it goes into the circuit board.
Okay, do any of those have a tiny reset button in center?
They have a brown knob that is loose on a little rod. I tried to see if I could push them in and they don't move.
Thank you. Now the very important one is the one in blower section. It would have a button in center also. Can you reach the switch?
I used a long screwdriver and tried to push it in, but it didn't move either.
Okay, last item. Is to remove the 2 wires at each switch and bypass. We do this until the code changes. If the switches all get bypassed in that circuit and code remains, then we have a bad circuit board.
Bypassed all of them and still the same code.
Then you have a bad board. If all safeties in that circuit are closed. The safety circuit should be closed. If it is closed. And board reads open, then board is bad.
Well, that stinks.
I totally understand. You can have confirmed. But they will check the safety circuit as you have. And reach the same conclusion. I do wish you the best, Billy.
Can I buy a new circuit board for this at Home Depot, or do I have to get a tech to replace it?
Can you tell me a number off the board?
Yes, I see a Nordyne PT number 624,591D. Is that the right one?
Yes, that is the number. Just Google Nordyne 624,591D. You will find choices from dealers to eBay. Here is an example: https://www.air1supply.com/903106.
Thank you for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.